142,000 candidates who registered for the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education this year began their examinations today.
I've been prepared enough by the teachers, I've revised enough, I've consulted enough, and I believe every senior 6 candidate there has done the same.
In the morning at 3, I just woke up out of nowhere. Started reading. I was very anxious, I was very scared, and when they rang the bell at 8:30, oh God, I was like, okay, tomorrow I'm going to be in this. But now I'm okay. I've talked to some teacher and he's like, they are the usual things, shall pass.
Among the candidates, 405 are special needs students, while 108 candidates are from Uganda prisons, including Luzira Upper Prison and Mbarara Main Prison.
I feel I'm ready for the exams because I've got enough time for revising and I've got enough material provided to us by the administration, and I hope I will get the best.
However, the examination period has not been without its challenges. In the wake of examination malpractice, UNEB issued a stern warning to schools regarding these malpractices, following reports of arrests related to cheating.
There are other cases which are still being compiled, and as a board, we want to continue to caution all those who intend to get involved in malpractice to please desist from the practice, because we have so many whistleblowers out there, as well as people who are on the alert to get anybody who would want to distract this examination.
This year's examination cycle has revealed a slight disparity in the ratio of science to arts students. Some head teachers have expressed concerns over the government's focus on promoting science subjects, with the argument that while the push for science is commendable, the arts should also be overlooked, as students' career paths often depend on their individual interests and strengths.
Not everybody can do sciences. Remember, sciences are technical. So much as the government is encouraging, we have also tried to encourage students to do sciences, especially those who can manage them. In
light of the rapid integration of ICT in education, stakeholders, including parents and government, have been urged to expedite the provision of ICT tools to students so as to enhance their learning experience and better prepare their candidates for their UNEB assessments.
As I speak, we have less than 50 computers at the ratio of 1,300 children. So right now, it's really going to ask the government, possibly to support us with computers. And that is why the children came up with the idea, the senior 3s. They said, Madam, why don't you allow us not to bring the phones, but allow us to have an iPad? So ICT is very, very important. And I think also the minister had suggested it. It is only the process and how to manage and how to ensure that they are properly used.
With the UACE level marking the conclusion of this year's UNEB assessments, the 2024 UNEB examination cycle saw a total of 1.3 candidates registered. David Ijo, NTV Tonight.